Hi, I'm Jim Murray, and I have had the pleasure of helping people for over 50 years in easing their pain in their foot, their heel, their ankle, and even in their knee. I believe that it is crucial that we isolate the cause while we're treating your symptom. Because if we don't treat the cause at the same time, your problem is never going to go completely away. And it could, in essence, get even worse. So once again, let me say this. I believe in treating the cause while we're treating your symptom. So let's take a few minutes now and just cover one of the foot problems that we see on a regular basis in our store. And that is called the Hallux Limitus and a Hallux Rigidus. Now, the Hallux Limitus is the beginning stage where we have a reduction in the range of motion of the big toe joint. So normal range of motion can be anywhere from 60 to 90 degrees. In a Hallux Limitus, it's generally going to be down to about 45-degree angle. So in this particular case, it could be either functional or it could be anatomical. Functional means it's some kind of soft tissue somewhere that is preventing that toe from bending upwards normally. That is pretty quickly correctable. If it's anatomical, then that means the joint itself is deteriorating. And as it gets worse, it then turns into the next stage, which is a Hallux Rigidus. And that's the one where we really have a lot of pain. That's where the big toe joint will not have any flexibility whatsoever. And so therefore, what we have, the very first step is going to be to add what we call a medical rocker onto the bottom of the shoes. Now with that, we are going to isolate where the big toe and little toe joint is, come back just a slight quarter of an inch and allow a roll off so that the shoe becomes your push off rather than your big toe. With that having been done, the pain is going to be drastically removed, if not eliminated. Now at that point, we also have to take the time to check out the other parts of your foot, because if you've been going for a long time with this rigid toe, there's a good chance that your arch has now broken down. And if it has, then we have to get in the shoe and lift that arch up in place where it belongs. Once we've accomplished that and the rocker, you'll be back on the road to doing things that you've enjoyed for years that you haven't been able to do. So let me just say that I would encourage you to please come in, let me do an evaluation. I don't charge anything for it. We'll figure out what the cause of your problem is and give you a solution for treating this problem.